Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Emily's Away. I'm Jimmy Jellybean. So, I played this game already and I like this game. This game is awesome. It's a really nice free game you can play. The rest of the version is like a lot of money, and so it kind of gets sad. So like we play as the guy who is trying to you know, who's trying to like get the girl. So it's a really cool game. And so we're gonna start. Okay, so screen name. Jax the boy. And then first name, Jax. Jax. Nah. Jack. Okay. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to pick something really cool. Lord of the Rings is cool. So it's a really cool game. So like, look, you just type. You don't like type any words, like, see? It's easy. Hi. Hi. I like your new buddy icon. I love those movies. So what's up? The ceiling. LOL, nothing really. You're just listening to music. Do you like Coldplay? Yeah, totally. Their last album was really good. It really was. I'm so glad you liked them. They're my favorite. Their lyrics are in my info. Are you going to Travis's party tonight? Ugh, Travis is such a wiener. Depends on if you're going. So, guys, before I go into this, the girl is not good. He's not gonna get the girl. He's never gonna get that girl. LOL. Well, I am. You should go. It's a great. Time flew by this year. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be nice. Last time I was really mean. I know, I'm excited. I was so over this school. Like, you know Brad from our math class? He won't stop messaging me right now. What's he saying? That he wants to talk or something. I'm not really paying attention. Oh man, just one more month. In the background, you can listen to the sad background music. If not, after I edit this, it's probably gonna sound really engineering school. I don't want to go to engineering school. I want to be a dentist. Cause, and like for a week I didn't want to be. So, whatever. That's awesome. You've always been super smart. I'm sure you'll do very well. Even though we're going to different schools, you promise you'll be there for me? Absolutely. Absolutely. Nothing could ever keep me from talking to you. You're one of my best friends. Wow, good play, because you don't want her to think that you're like just all alone. And you're the one of my friends. You always will be, Jack. Oh, wow, it's getting late. I hope Julie gets at the party. I hope so too. I hope so too. Oh! Haha, thanks. She's supposed to come over to the... If you're coming to you, you should probably leave soon. Will you be there? Definitely. Awesome. I'm going to get ready to wait for Julie. Hopefully Brad stops messaging me once it's seen. See ya. Yep. Okay. So there are 5 chapters, as you could see. So this computer camera only runs until 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do a part 2. If you guys want to watch, this is kind of an old game. A lot of people have been playing it. Yeah. So. Yeah. So, this is chapter 2. Freshman year of college. Ooh. Linkin Park is like one of my favorite bands. Like, I love Linkin Park. Oh, she is Snow Patrol. Check. Hey, I like your new icon. Linkin Park's awesome. How's it shaking? Hey, how's it shaking? Haha, it's shaking, I guess. I just doing some homework and listening to music, you. Homework too. What music are you listening to? Snow Patrol. Duh! I like Snow Patrol too. Snow Patrol's cool. They just came out with their new album, Final Straw. Have you ever heard of it? Yes, it's great. I haven't heard of it. I've only heard one song. It's called Cars. Chasing Cars, I mean. You always know the best music. What's your favorite song of it? Oh, these are gross. Okay, whatever. Clocks. The most. I think... Me too. What? That's not a song on the album. Maybe you're not thinking of. Okay. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun. I lucked out and got some really awesome people on my floor. That's great. My is effing boring. Yeah, hanging out with friends, going in a few. I'm hanging out with friends, some people that I don't know, friends, Mike, Storm. Oh, cool. What are you all going to do? See a movie. And by the way, I'm not going to say the bad words. Nope. Nope, Brad has a band practice, so I'm just hanging out. Sounds like a tool. Sounds like a tool. Wow, Brad practice sounds like a tool. Ooh, I said that wrong. Haha, yeah, he's a little weird, but he's a great boyfriend. You remember him from high school? We've been dating for a couple of months now. Oh, good. How did you two get together? Anyway, how did you get together? Seriously. Like, I'm not gonna be like that person who, like, you know, does that kind of thing, so. Yep. Well, remember that grad party we went to last year? While I was away, Brad sent me a ton of messages about how he felt. At first I thought it was really weird, but after a while I realized he was kind of brave. We started talking again over the summer and realized we were going to the same school. Once we got here, we just kind of hit it off. What's he like? These are all like really desperate questions. I hate these questions. I'm just saying, oh cool, whatever, I don't care. Well, he's smart and funny and he understands me. Sometimes he can be a jerk. When he's good, he's really good. Has he ever mean to you? These are so bad questions. Why do you ask these things? Like, why do you ask these things? It's Brad. He can't get pretty nasty when we argue, but that's it. We both were very stubborn people. We can go back and forth a lot. But, like I said, when things are good, they're good. I guess it's normal. That's like the... As long as you're okay. Oh, he's so desperate. So desperate, I just hate it. I just really care about you. He sounds like an a-hole. I wouldn't treat you like that. I just really care. Well, what? Dude! There are people who really care about you. Oh! Who? Jeez. This guy is so desperate. Listen, I think we're fine. I don't want to talk about this anymore. You should break up with him. I just don't like him. I'm sorry. I just want you to be happy. Like, I want to be the nice guy, okay? Okay, it's been fine. But I'm happy, I promise. Oh, wow, it's getting late. You need to go see your friends, don't you? I should go. Yeah, I should go. Okay. Okay, talk to you later. See ya. Alright, so this is about 12 minutes. Like, they take a really long time, so I'm gonna stop this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.